In this video, we will be installing our first NuGet package. So for that, let me run the application and show you why we need that package. So when you hit the run button, it will load our website and you can see the default layout that we have. We have a home page and a privacy page. Let's go to our home Razor page and edit this text. So for that, we'll switch back to our application and we'll go to Solution Explorer. All of the pages will be inside the Pages folder. We will double click on index.cshtml and right here, while the application is running, we will add my name, Brugain here, save it, go back and refresh. You can see the refresh was successful, but the content here did not change. This was an existing feature before ASP.NET Core 3. But with 3, they have decided to add this auto refresh for the view as a separate package. So we'll stop the application, we'll go to Tools, NuGet Package Manager, and Manage NuGet Packages for Solution. Inside the Browse tab, we will search for microsoft.aspnetcore.mvc.razor.runtime compilation. We have to install this package inside our booklist Razor project. We'll accept this, and once the installation is complete, we need to make one change inside our startup.cs class file, and we have the configure services method. In here, where we have the .add Razor pages, we will have .add Razor runtime compilation. After you add this line, if you press F5 or hit the run button here, it will load the website again and the content will be welcome Brugain right now. Let's see that. Perfect. Let's switch back. Let's go back to our index and remove Brugain. And let's refresh the page, and this time it should automatically reload and it should display welcome. Great, you can see that in action, and with this, whenever you will change anything inside the Razor UI and you come back here while the application is running and refresh, this should automatically refresh. This is one of a core package that is needed for developers. Because we are many times dealing with the view, we make changes, we come back and we want to see the change rather than restarting the application.